Hey guys, Fahad Zaman here. In this video, I am going to show you how you can remove any passcode, pattern, pin, password, fingerprint or Face ID from your Android device in just few minutes and unlock screen lock from most Samsung devices without data loss. You can also remove Google FRP lock on Samsung devices without knowing the password. No matter how your device is locked, this video will help you. Download and install iMyFone Lock Wiper on your PC. The download link is available in the video description. After installation, launch the program. If you want to remove Google Lock FRP, simply click on this mode. Or if you want to remove screen lock, choose the remove screen lock mode. Here are two modes for removing the screen lock from your device. Remove without data loss for Samsung devices only and remove screen lock for all Android devices. If you have Samsung device, you can choose this one. Select your device name and model. If your device is not in the list, you can try another method. And in this mode, the device data will be erased after removing Android lock screen. Connect your device to the computer via USB cable. It then loads up your device information automatically. The program detects your device information automatically. Confirm that this information is accurate. If the information is incorrect, you can correct it manually. And click Start to unlock to continue. Then put your device into recovery mode. Long press the power button to power off the phone. Then press and hold the power button and volume down button together for a while. Release all button when your device in recovery mode. Follow the on-screen instruction to reset your device and wait for it to remove the screen lock passcode from your device. When the process is done, you have removed the password from the device successfully. The iMyFone Lock Wiper is an interesting software that can help you in the case you have forgotten your screen lock. So that's all for now. If you guys enjoyed this, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any question, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.